Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, June 16th. We're going to take a look here at one of the trades we're currently in right now, and that is a long in HIMS. Here's the position. Currently holding these and also holding September expiration $30 calls, but I also have shares. But with that being said, this is why we took the long in HIMS. We've already taken off partial on these July expiration 35s because they're up 50%, but we're looking at this on a daily basis. You have an inverted head and shoulders, your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. Our neckline was right at that $30 level, and we kept rejecting that. We've hit it and broke it down here, hit it, broke down there, hit it, broke down there. And finally, we broke through it. And yesterday, the big thing, the kicker for this was that we closed above that 30 level. So we were not only able to break through it, we were able to hold on to it through the end of the day, which a lot of times will precede a move like what we're seeing now. So HIMS is working out fairly well. Our first target for this was up around these pivot highs between 31.86 and 31.50, which we're right there now, where we barely poked through it. Our next target is going to be like the 33.50 area at the 200-day moving average, but this has potential. The reason we're holding the September expiration is because this has potential to run all the way up to our next big pivot high, which is all the way up at 36.5. So really, I'm looking for this like around 35 for the next target, and then push 36.5. Take off some more, but we'll just slowly scale out. And this is how we help drag up our average gains, is we allow these winners to run. You don't just exit your entire position as soon as you hit your first target. You allow, as long as the trade looks good, allow that thing to continue to push higher. And that's how we had things, for example, like AMKR, where we made nearly 100% today. We've been in it since Friday's breakout at the $80 level, ran all the way up to a high today of 96.50 and played out beautifully. But not a bad way to start the week off this week. Overall doing really well. But that's it for today. Keep an eye on HIMS, though. I do think we can get some more upside, assuming we get a strong close today and doesn't reverse. But that's it for now. Hope it helps. Don't forget, you can join us in the trading room if you want to get these trades live. All you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description below, and you can come try it out for 30 days, see what it's all about. But that's it for today. See you in the next one. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.